It was September 25th, a day after World Rivers Day, and I felt a strong pull to connect with the rivers of our planet to find out if they have a message for us. I went quiet as I settled into my favorite spot and opened up my consciousness to the energies of our rivers. And this was the message they gave me. P.S. Please listen to the backstory that comes right after the message from our rivers. Start of message.
The rivers originate from the oceans. Water rises to the clouds. It rains on mountain tops, valleys, forests, jungles, rivers. Finally, all waters flow to the oceans. This is what you call a cycle. Some call it circle of life. We would now like for you to call it circle of love. Yes, we are aware you received this new term and wondered what it means. You heard correctly. The waters exist in a circle of love. There are many circles of love on this planet. Humanity is a circle of love. Do not pollute the circle of love in any way. The pollution gets recycled and will affect that which is pristine. Each human plays a role in the circle of love of humanity. Take responsibility for what you put out, as it can pollute that which receives your energies. The evolution of humanity is dependent on the frequency of the circle of love.
End of message. Several weeks prior to receiving this message from our rivers, Spirit spoke with me about the circle of love, and that I was to begin teaching others about the circle of love, and for us to begin practicing the essence of it. I didn't know what the circle of love was, and I had many questions about it, so I gave intent that I will receive the answers. As you can imagine, I was pleasantly surprised that the rivers made reference to this, and I was most grateful to finally understand the essence of the circle of love. If you're listening to this, and if this message resonates with you, and if you are intuitively guided to create your circle of love gatherings, I ask that you do so with the guidance of your own higher self, that is, your higher consciousness. And now, I would like to share with you a piece of wisdom from the book Messages from the Ancients by author and shaman Kahuna Kalei Iliahi.
The Magnificent Prayer. I am magnificent. I was born magnificent. I carry the love and light of the Creator within me. This is my power, and I use it to create the good, the beautiful, and the holy. It is why I am here.
This is such a beautiful intention that perfectly describes how we can contribute to the circle of love for humanity. I'm reminded that our love work is our light work. This is something that the Palladian Star Mothers shared in their most recent energetic transmission. Blessings to all circles of love of our planet. Join me on one of my workshops and begin communicating with numerous nature beings yourself. I leave a link to my nature communication workshops in the info box below. I'm Oribel Joy Divine, a teacher, a guide, and a telepathic communicator.